We know how to kill aircraft carriers, or at least we know how best to try to kill aircraft carriers. Submarine-launched torpedoes, cruise missiles fired from a variety of platforms and ballistic missiles can all give an aircraft carrier a very bad day. Of course, modern carriers have ways of defending themselves from all of these avenues of attack, and we don't yet have any good evidence of the real balance between offensive and defensive systems. But what of the future? How will we plan to kill carriers 30 years from now? Here are 5 problems that the next generation of aircraft carrier architects will need to worry about. Undersea unmanned vehicles. Submarines have long posed the deadliest threat to aircraft carriers. In World War II, every major carrier fleet suffered losses to submarines. In the Cold War, the US Navy viewed Soviet subs as a critical problem. Against modern anti-submarine warfare capabilities, the biggest difficulties faced by a submarine involve finding a carrier, then getting into firing position, with either missiles or torpedoes, before the carrier's aircraft and escorts can detect and kill the sub. If the boat's commander isn't suicidal, finding a potential avenue for escape is also an issue. Cyber attacks. Aircraft carriers already consist of a terrifyingly complex system of systems, from the ship itself to the air group to the escort task force. The Ford-class CVs will expand this even further, operating as part of a system of weapons and sensors that can span across hundreds, even thousands, of miles. The digital linkages of this network will be well protected, but hardly impermeable. It is likely that any foe will take steps to attempt to disrupt and compromise the computer systems that allow the Fords to have the greatest effect.